Now, in this session, we are going to see how to find the squares of the numbers which are close to the base 10. Earlier we have seen the multiplications of such numbers which are close to the base 10. In finding the squares of the numbers which are close to base 10, there is a technique which has been given in the Vedic maths, and we are going to use that technique. So let us start with finding the square of number 12. Now, what you are supposed to do is, you have to simply remember one thing. Find out the difference of 12 from its base 10. So here we can find, that means you subtract 10 from 12, so you get a difference of 2. So the difference is 2. Now, after finding the difference, the technique is you square this difference. That means 2 2s are 4. Now 4 will be your unit number of the answer. After finding the unit number, now the second step is simply add this 2, that is difference, to the original number. So 12 plus 2, that becomes 14. So this becomes 14. So your answer is 144. I will once again repeat. I will write it here in the form of formula so that you can remember it. What I did was, first I did the square of difference, and so I get unit place. After that, what I did, this number, original number plus difference. So you will get the complete answer for the square of any numbers which are close to the base 10. Now let us take another example. 13. Now in this case 13, you will see that 13 is 3 more than 10. So our difference is 3. So the first step we will do is, here we will find the square of 3. So we get 9. After that, we will simply add this 3 to the original number 13. So 13 plus 3, the answer is 16. So your answer for 13 square is equals to 169. Let us take another example. 14. Now in this case, the difference is 4. That means 14 is 4 more than 10. So the first step, square of the difference. So you get 16. Now, I will not write 16 because by now you know that when the base is 10, I can only write one digit. So my 1 will be carried over. So instead of 16, I will write 6 here and 1 carried over. After that, I will add this 4 to this original number 14. So I get 16. And in this 16, I will add 1. So the answer is 17. So the square of 14 is equals to 176. Now let's take the negative numbers. Let us take 9. Now from 9, if you subtract 10, you get minus 1. So the difference is minus 1. Now the first step is the square of minus 1. So if you multiply minus 1 into minus 1, you get plus 1. And after that, you will add the difference to the original number. So 9 plus minus 1, so this becomes 8. So 9 square is equals to 81. Let us take another example, 8. Now here 8 is 2 less than 10, so we will write minus 2 because we will subtract 10 from 8, so we get minus 2. Now just find the difference of find the square of minus 2. We will get minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4, so we will write plus 4 here. After that, add the difference to number 8. So 8 plus minus 2 becomes 6. So I will write 6. So 8 8s are 64. Now what will happen in case of 6? Now in case of 6, we get the difference as minus 4. So the first step is finding the square of minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 4, we get plus 16. But we cannot write plus 16. We can only write one digit here because the base is 10 and 10 has only one 0. So we can write only one digit here, that is 6. So the 1 is carried over. Now add this minus 4 to the original number, that is 6. So 6 plus minus 4, that is 6 minus 4 is 2. Whereas this 1 is carried over. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. So your answer is 6 squared is equals to 36. I hope now you understood and you can do on your own, and you can find the squares of numbers like 17, 15, 16 and even 7, 5, etc. Thank you very much.